All right, good morning, happy homeowners. Sunday morning, over here in Riverside, getting ready to do a refinish. Let's go inside and check this out. Whew. Don't hide. The homeowners took up all the carpet. This is just from the years of the old carpet pad getting stuck to the floor, the steam cleaning and stuff. This used to be a wall. They took the wall down years ago, just put a 2x4 in it. We're gonna take that up, replace it with some wood. All this old carpet glue. Got some termite damages. You can see that right there, see it? The termites eat from the bottom, and as soon as they taste any of the varnish, they stop and leave it paper thin. You've seen that in some of the other videos. We're gonna replace that. We'll find some more when we start sanding. These are a little bit different color. Over the years, they've sanded it and tried to refinish it. We're gonna replace this big crazy thing, tripping hazard. Another termite board, but we'll find a couple. But this is gonna be a huge before and after difference.